Hello, my name is Cindy and I am here to craft with you today. Today we're going to make tie-dye t-shirts. So it's something that is fun and anybody can do. This is meant as a step-by-step course that you can follow along while I do some of these t-shirts. So hopefully it'll give you some ideas and get you inspired. To begin, you'll need some supplies. It's easiest if you have a pan with a rack on top so that the dye can flow underneath. I like to use soda ash. You can easily get it in the laundry department of Walmart or any retailer. It's only a few dollars and you can find it near the borax for those people who like to make slime. And you'll need some rubber bands, tie-dye kit. You will need some gloves and also a washable marker. Some of these items are already found in the tie-dye kit, so it will make it even easier for you. I always think it's easier too to have a drop cloth. It'll just help you clean up your mess later. So the first thing that I'm going to do is mix up the dyes. I mixed up the dye. You can see all the different colors that I have here. This kit was easy. All you had to do was add water up to the top. If you wanted weaker colors, you could use 2 different bottles and just dilute it. If you wanted stronger colors, you could just add less water. For this tie-dye shirt, we're going to try folding a heart shape. So don't forget your washable marker. The first thing that we need to do is fold it in half. I'm going to find the middle of the shirt. You want to make sure that you get out all of the internal wrinkles. But also make sure that your shirt is still centered. Next thing you do is you take your washable marker and find a good placement on your shirt. Kind of close to underneath the armpit is a good guideline, right around in there. So there is my heart shape. You want to do half of a heart shape so that it turns out the same on the other side. And what you need to do is accordion fold all the way around. Your goal is to make sure that the little folds match up and make a straight line. It doesn't matter if your marker bleeds a little bit onto the dye, because again, it's just washable marker. It will come out when you are rinsing your shirt. So you can see it's folded, it has a pretty straight line there. So what you want to do to keep it in the line is take a rubber band. You want to make sure it goes right about over where that line is. Have your little ghost. You can use the little folds to create little sections. Alright, now that we've got our shirt folded how we want it, we can start to add dye. Bring over your drop cloth. Here's the dyeing kit. Make sure you apply your gloves. I think we are going to do a little red heart. All right, and now we wait until tomorrow to see how our heart shape turned out. This next t-shirt that we're going to unveil is the heart-shaped t-shirt, so hopefully it turned out okay. This one is for who? For you! So hopefully it turned out pretty good, right? All right, let's see how it turned out. You want to take off the rubber bands?
Yeah.
Here, you take them off from that side and I'll take off from this side.
And if I do the purple,
Yeah, you can do whichever ones you want.
what if I do the green?
Oh, well, I think I beat you to the green. What's your favorite color on this t-shirt? You like it all.
So that's real viewers.
All right, let's see here.
That's fun there.
And let's see how this one turned out. Are you watching? Look at that. Here's the front. And there's Carissa's. You can see it's got the little heart. I think if I did this next time, I chose red and then pink right away. So I think if I did this again, I would choose a different color that's not so close to each other, but we added a little purple, and at least you can get the good outline of the heart. So just something to keep in mind, maybe for us for next time, and if you want to copy this and try it on your own. So this is the unveiling of our heart shape. I think it turned out pretty well. What do you think, Carissa?
Good.
Good. All right. Are you excited to wear it? All right. This is the heart-shaped tie-dye shirt. You can see how it turned out. I think it turned out really good. It was very successful, don't you think?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
Good.
Yeah, I think if I did it again another time, I would make sure that I kept a different color from the inside heart and then just outside. So I'm glad I have the little bit of the purple delineation there, but if I were to do it again, I would make sure that I did a different color on the inside than on the outside. But overall, I think it was successful. Would you like to try it on? All right. Wow, what do you think about the t-shirt?
Good.
Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
What do you think about tie-dye?
I love it. And next time when I'm 7, if you still have those tie-dye, I want to help you.
All right. Next time I have my helper to help me make it some more t-shirts. So if you liked this video, just push like and subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Yes. Bye.
So if you want to watch more tie-dye videos, you can hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next video.
That looks really cool.
Yeah.
I like that it's like subtle too. So
Yeah.
It's actually worked out really well.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's cool.
I know.